Well, I've had the drone for a few months now, and one common thing I'm seeing and being asked about is I bought a Mavic Pro, and the reason I got the Mavic Pro was it's so compact, it's so small, which takes up a lot less space, and it's perfect for travelling like us in a motorhome or caravan. So we went with the Mavic Pro for that reason. Yet I often see Mavic Pros being stored in massive big suitcases that take up all that space and room that we bought the Mavic Pro to solve that issue. So I've been asked, because everything you see here on the table fits into my Mavic Pro bag that comes with the drone. So people say to me, no way, you cannot get all of this into that bag. But I'm here to tell you, you can, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Alright, let's have a crack at this. At this stage, you have a guess. Do you reckon I can get all this in there? Alright, let's start with the drone. Now, I use an iPhone. Usually use the iPhone with my drone, mostly because two reasons. When I use my Samsung, I tend to find that the remote control wants to power up my phone, so I'm draining battery out of my remote control, whereas that doesn't happen with the iPhone. The other thing is, when I use my Samsung, it immediately stores the photos and videos onto my phone. I don't want that. I want it going onto the micro SIM card that's in there, or drive that's in there. So compact disc card. So I don't want that either. So I don't tend to use the Samsung. A lot of guys have said to me, if you switch it from here on the side to underneath here, that will stop that. That hasn't been the case for me. I find that it still does do those things with my Samsung phone. So I prefer using the iPhone. So that means I've got some extra equipment I like to carry just in case. I recently climbed a mountain up in Pomona on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, carried my drone all the way up in my backpack, and I got to the top and I had my Samsung phone with me, not my iPhone. I had the connection for iPhone and not for the Samsung, and so I carried that drone up all that way for nothing. So I wasn't really happy. It was a very, very big climb, a lot of work. But anyway, we started off, so I've got the drone and remote control in there. Now I've got the charger. I take the charger apart, I put the cord in here on the top. I have booklet goes on in the inside here at the top. And these are the extra cords I was telling you about. So I've got the iPhone one connected to the drone at the moment. These are both for Samsungs, so they go in up the top here as well. I learnt my lesson, so now I make sure I'm covered in every way possible that doesn't happen to me again. I've got the Fly More combo, so I have 2 extra batteries. I can close this up now. So I have 2 extra batteries. Firstly, these little manuals, I slip them into this front pocket, and then my 2 extra batteries go in front of that. When I do that, I put one with the connecting area. I have one up and one down. That simply just helps me to remember which battery I've used sometimes. So just one way in which I do that. Once I've zipped that up a little bit, I then have, this is the connector for the remote control to the charger. So that goes in this front pocket. With the batteries. And as I was saying, so I've got an absolute backup. So this is my another Samsung cord. So I've got a spare one. I put that in because my Samsung's my main phone, so it's always with me. So that goes in there as well. So that's all in. The connection for the batteries, that actually goes in the top section. Just in there. All fits in perfectly. The main battery charger goes into side pocket. And my extra blades, in case I ever need them, they go in on this side. And voila, everything I need is right here in my Mavic Pro bag. It's compact, it's small, it's easy to carry, and that's what I do. So hope this helps. That's how I fit everything into my bag. I don't see a need for going out and buying a bigger suitcase of some sort when the whole reason for buying the Mavic Pro is to keep things compact, small, lightweight and easy to carry and store. Cheers guys.